We have with us Ashna Ruhani, and she has cleared the Sikkim Judiciary exam with the second rank. She is Ashna, and the other side is her younger sister. She is doing her MBBS from Nepal, Viratnagar. She just told me. Better, better, better. So, Ashna,
Yes, sir.
अब आप अपना जर्नी बताइए. How, where you belong to, which place you belong to, and how has been your journey. और फिर थोड़ा सिक्किम के बारे में स्पेसिफिक बताना. Because
Yes,
many
sir.
people may be interested in Sikkim judiciary. It is a wonderful state, excepting the floods that come there.
Yes, sir.
तो बताओ अपने बारे में.
Sir, firstly, I would like to thank the entire Rahul Zayas family. Sir, you have been a father figure for me. And it's a wonderful feeling when you are sitting here with Sir, sharing the same stage and sharing your story. I joined Sir in the year 2018 September batch, EM batch, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So just after a period of 6 months, I started getting interview calls. And I thought that my journey will be very short because I was getting interview called, and my main target was West Bengal. Because although I am from Kishanganj, it is a small town in Bihar, it shares border with West Bengal. So I have done my, most of my, especially my LLB, I have done from University of North Bengal from Siliguri. Siliguri corridor, I think you people have heard about it. It's the chicken neck of India.
That very thin.
Yes,
portion.
yes, sir. So Kishanganj is also just before, it's the beginning of the Siliguri corridor, sir. Sir, then West Bengal was my target, sir. So for continuous 3 years, I was only focused in West Bengal, sir. So we get 3 chances in West Bengal. So all the 3 chances I went till interview, but unfortunately I could not qualify. I could not get my dream state. So after 2021, I thought of trying for other states. Then I have given other mains as well. So I had appeared for Jharkhand mains also. I have appeared twice for Kerala mains as well. We have Malayalam out there. I tried learning the language, sir.
So you understood Malayalam.
Sir, I started with the letters, sir, but it's not qualifying in nature also. You can, if you write well English, then you can qualify. But there also, I fell short a few marks in mains, sir. So then I went for Telangana, sir. There, sir, in first go only, I was called for the interview last year itself. So there also, there were 2 students from Rahul Zayas. So there was a girl, sir, and she qualified. I could not qualify. So I was shattered, sir. I was like, what should I do? But in the meanwhile, I kept on filling other forms as well. I kept on giving exams, all the exams after 2021. So this Sikkim, this recruitment is of 2022. So I filled up the form in 2022 as well, and in 2023 also. But the exams were not held. But recently, they conducted the exam in the month of April for 2022. And just after a month, they conducted the exam of 2023 also. And then recently, in the month of October, they came up with the combined result of 2022 and 2023, sir. So in 2022, 2023 also I had filled up the form, but I could not appear for the exam, sir, because, sir, in the meanwhile, I was also doing my LLM from VIPS. So I told my father that, Papa, I think हो जाएगा पापा, 2023 मेरा बहुत अच्छा गया है, हो जाएगा, अगर होने का होगा तो हो जाएगा, you don't worry papa. And in 2022 when the results came, there is no prelims firstly in Sikkim, we have our mains directly.
So right away means.
Yes, sir. So around 140 students, they filled up the form. Around 60 to 80 students, they appeared for the exam. And out of them, only 2 of them qualified the recruitment of 2022 in mains written examination. Although there were 4 seats, sir. So, sir, I was sure कि हो जाएगा because 4 seats में आपका top 2 girls को बुला लिया जो candidates है. But then I got a call from the High Court that we are conducting a combined of 2022 and 2023 students who have qualified. So I was scared, sir, because there was sure that कि हाँ हो जाएगा because 2 ही seat है, मतलब 4 seat है, 2 बच्चे हैं. So I was scared, sir, but it happened, sir. So the interview went well, sir. I would not say the interview went very well, excellent. No, nothing is called excellent. It's just that, sir, yes, I gave my best. It was all about personality. And they asked law as well, and even your personality, even certain personal questions were there, sir.
Okay. So Sikkim, they don't conduct prelims right away. The means.
Yes, sir, right away means, sir.
Always.
Yes, sir, always.
And any special language that you have to?
Yes, sir. We have to know any state language, and Nepali is widely spoken.
So means for the exam, what compulsory language?
Nepali, sir.
Acha, you have to
Yeah.
learn Nepali.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the thing was that I have done my primary schooling from Kalimpong.
Okay.
So I knew Nepali. That was my third language. So I had the knowledge of Nepali. I do understand Nepali very well. But yeah, while speaking, I can say I know like 20-30%. So I was scared because in mains also they asked us Nepali of 20 marks, although it's a very little marks out of 400. And then in interview, they had asked me Nepali also that please reply in Nepali. And then I replied, sir. And it was not good. It was broken Nepali. But yes, I just told them that, sir, that I'm trying to study. Sir, I'm studying right now, sir, and I will give my best. I told them, sir.
So Nepali, you have any written paper also? For
So only 20 marks, sir.
20 marks ka
Yes,
aata
sir. Paper 1 is there and paper 2. In paper 1, we have 20 marks of Nepali. But the thing is that you don't have to qualify 20 marks. You just have to attempt. That's all.
hai. Okay.
Whatever you write.
So means if anyone from here wants to take the Sikkim exam, so he has to or she has to know Nepali.
Nepali, yes, sir.
मुश्किल है क्या?
No, sir, it's Hindi. Devanagari script. It's
It is,
very...
I think it is more related to Hindi and Maithili.
Yes, yes, sir. It's totally Hindi, sir. You can read it.
Mhm.
It just has a little accent, sir. And most of the words are Hindi words only, sir.
So script is also Devanagari.
Devanagari, yes, sir.
तब तो हो सकता है. You catch any Nepali person, learn Nepali. एक सिक्किम में है कि सीट्स बहुत कम होते हैं. 3-4 seats.
Yes, sir. And this for the first time that 8 seats they had come up, combined 8 seats,
So
sir.
the 8 seats are not filled.
Yes, it has been filled.
It
Yes,
has
sir.
been
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any other speciality, any other particularity about Sikkim in preparation?
Sir, actually, so my main focus after West Bengal was Jharkhand. So my preparation was Jharkhand only, but the subjects of Jharkhand and Sikkim is around 80% similar. So that helped me, sir. और सर झारखंड प्रीलिम्स से पहले ही मैंने मेंस का प्रिपरेशन कर दिया था लास्ट अक्टूबर से. आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट्स एंड दैट हेल्प मी इन सिक्किम जुडिशरी, सर.
सिक्किम में सब्जेक्ट्स वही है जो
Yes, sir. But, sir, apart from that, there are certain local laws, and those are basically notifications. They have different land laws, various other laws are there. It's around 26-27 laws. But, sir, I managed because, sir, मेरा analysis बहुत अच्छा था previous year का. And whatever was my analysis, and exactly वैसा ही paper आया था, sir. तो I think it's not only about what you study. आपको analysis करना previous year का paper बहुत ज़रूरी है. Same नहीं आएगा, but related आएगा ही आएगा. But you should even, prepare yourself for the worst.
तो कितने पेपर से सिक्किम
सर 2 पेपर थे.
2 पेपर.
यस सर.
सब्जेक्ट्स
सर सेम थे सर. CPC, CRPC, एविडेंस थे सर. सोगा, पार्टनरशिप, ये सब थे सर.
फैमिली लॉ वगैरह.
यस सर. फैमिली लॉ एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन था सर.
TPA.
यस सर. सारे जो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं नॉर्मल सारे थे सर.
नॉर्मल सब्जेक्ट्स.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
दे आर ऑल बोथ पेपर्स आर कंपल्सरी.
Yes, sir. It's 400 marks, sir. It was lengthy because, sir, 200 marks का बहुत lengthy हो जाता है. There was around 35 questions, and you have to attempt and keep on. You cannot stop out there, and you have to complete the paper. If you have completed, you have high chances.
तुम्हारा फाउंडेशन कोर्स राहुल साइंस में 2018 में शुरू हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
और डिड यू डू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आल्सो और
Sir, there was only one subject left. Online हमने किया था, sir. Constitution. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मॉर्निंग बैच.
Yes, sir.
I remember Constitution was left
Yes.
when COVID came, no? So Constitution in the morning batch we did through online classes. उसके भी कुछ टॉपिक्स हो गए थे ऑफलाइन
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और कुछ और काफी टॉपिक्स ऑनलाइन में हुए हमारे.
Yes, sir.
That was the first
So I used to sit there, sir. Yeah, I used to. I do not know, sir, you remember or not, but so I actually, sir, I wanted to sit in a place where I am not distracted. I wanted to have full focus towards Rahul sir or any teacher whoever is coming. So that was on my mind, sir.
So that is why you were sitting there.
Yes, sir. There was no
अभी तो
disturbance.
स्पेस कर दिया हमने, बीच में देख रहे क्रॉस लगा हुआ चेयर पे,
Yes, sir.
उस पे आप नहीं बैठ सकते
Yes, sir.
ड्यू टू सम न्यू रूल्स वी हैव गॉट. ठीक है. अच्छा, यू कैन शेयर योर इंटरव्यू, व्हाट ऑल दे आस्क्ड यू इफ यू रिमेंबर.
Yes, sir. So when I entered, they asked me certain personal questions. And so by the grace of the God, those questions were the ones which my father, he prepared me. My papa, he said that these are the set of questions they are going to ask you. And the moment I entered, they asked me those questions. So I was like, yes, I was prepared. In fact, sir, I had prepared certain Nepali script also. Like I was preparing for like introduction, what they'll ask me. So whatever I prepared, they asked me that only, sir. So it was going in a very good flow. And law also they asked me, and they asked me very basic questions. What is section 89 of CPC? And as a judge, what will you do? They gave me certain circumstances. Then I replied, sir. And they were trying to confuse me, but they were asking very tricky questions, but it was easy only. So I replied as, and I did not reply 100%, but yes, it was like 60, 70, 80% I replied, sir. But sir, the panel, it was headed by Honorable Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court. Then he asked me one question. He told me, okay, fine, I'm going to ask you a question, and it's not from the books. Then I said, okay, sir, you may, sir. Then he looked towards me and he told me, I believe you are a practicing Muslim. The moment when he said this, I was very scared because it was something about very personal. I kept quiet for 20 seconds. Then I said, yes, sir, you may say that. Then he said me, whether in life, whether as a judge, whether your religious values will have an impact upon your judgments. Then so I gave a pause, and then I answered that, sir, I am a student of Constitution, and whether it's my religious values or my customary values, it will never come on the way. It will never impact upon the judgment. And furthermore, sir, I am a student of Constitution, and I will become a judge, and a judge holds such obligations, and whatever will be my judgment, it will be based upon the basic principles of the constitutions like equity, justice, etc. So this was my answer I gave, sir.
You must be happy about it.
Yes.
Your answer.
So I do not know from where this answer came, sir. It was very prompt, this answer.
That was
sir.
a very natural answer. No?
Yes, sir.
Whatever be your religion, after all, you belong to the Constitution, no? So the realm and the domain of the Constitution commands everyone. आप किसी भी धर्म से हो,
Yes, sir.
तो आपके धर्म का इफेक्ट आपके जजमेंट्स पे तो नहीं आ सकता. तो that was a very prompt, spontaneous answer.
Yes, sir.
That was a good answer.
So this was the only answer which actually triggered me, and I was like, what should I do at this moment? Yes, sir. And sir, I tried to do a better interview and give a better interview. The reason is that, sir, this was my 5th interview. And I was analyzing what went wrong in my other interviews. What went wrong? I was never satisfied with my other interviews. But this was the first interview where I felt very positive, sir. And the Honorable Chief Justice also, he was very supportive. So it was one of the toughest interview I have faced, sir. It was of 35 minutes, and it was the best interview, sir.
ठीक है, that is great. Anything else that you would like to tell them, or we can finish it up here?
So I just want to tell that keep going in life, okay? Do not lose hope. आपका 1 मेंस निकलता है, 2 नहीं निकलता है, 3 नहीं. It doesn't matter. If you are very determined, ना वो निकल के ही रहेगा. And I am staying here, like, sir, it has been 6 years, sir. 6 years is not a joke. You know, you are so dedicated towards one field, one exam. It's not a joke. I have never appeared for any exam other than judiciary, because that was my papa's dream, and I had that in my mind कि मुझे judiciary ही करना है. So you have to be very determined. You decide what is best for you, and then you follow the path, and you will absolutely reach. Like, so इवन सर मुझे पता था कि मेरा हो जाएगा सर, बट बहुत टाइम लग रहा था, सो आई वॉज लाइक अब क्या हो सकता है इसके बाद, बट आई वॉन्ट टू डू बेस्ट इन लाइफ, दैट वॉज इन माई माइंड सर. सो आई डिड नॉट लीव दिल्ली सर आफ्टर दैट. आई वॉज हियर ओनली सर. सर अप्स एंड डाउन थे, हॉस्टल नहीं मिल रहे थे अच्छे, फ्रेंड्स एक अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट नहीं मिल रहा था, बट स्टिल डिस्पाइट ऑल दीज आई चेंज्ड माई हॉस्टल, आई केप्ट ऑन स्टडिंग. एंड दिस वन वंडरफुल थिंग आई वुड से, आई नेवर टुक अ सिंगल रूम सर. ये मेरा प्रिपरेशन मैंने डबल शेयरिंग रूम में ही किया है. सो एंड माई रूममेट, रिसेंट जो रूममेट है सर, अभी जो मेरे मेंस निकला, शी इज़ अ वर्किंग एडवोकेट एंड स्टिल आई मैनेज्ड. सो आप ना कभी नेवर टेल दैट कि लाइक आपको किसी चीज़ की कमी है लाइफ में, कि ये नहीं हो रहा, ये परफेक्ट नहीं है. यू मेक द परफेक्ट टाइमिंग योर सेल्फ एंड नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल सर. सो ये मैंने ध्यान दिया. मुझे बहुत स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं, क्वेरी होता है कि नहीं सिंगल रूम में ही पढ़ाई होता है, ये होता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव नेवर बीन टू अ लाइब्रेरी. I have studied in my bed. I have not even used a table. It's like that. I used to sit on table when I used to write mock.
ठीक है. That is so wonderful listening to you.
Sir.
God bless you. And we are all very proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you a very wonderful career of judging and justicing.
Thank you, sir.
आज
This is the best part, I think.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And अच्छा करो लाइफ में. And keep in touch. बताते रहना कहाँ क्या चल रहा है, सो सब.